Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unban your Tinder account. So first of all, you have to go into your browser. So I will choose the Chrome browser, and you have to write in the search box that Tinder help. And after that, you will get an option here, submit a request. I have to click on that. So you have to do the same, and here you will get an option what can be helped with. So you have to trouble with account login, right? So you have to click on that, and after that what's going on, there will be another question asked, so you have to choose can't log in, my account was banned. Okay, after that you have to enter your email address. So I will just put my email address. You have to put the email address, because they are going to ask you some questions, so you have to answer that. That's why. And you have to enter your phone number too. Okay, so I'll just write here random phone number, and description is very important. So what you have to do here, you have to submit that your account was banned for with no reason, and actually you did nothing that your account got banned, and it was banned due to some mistakenly. So you have to explain them that you did nothing and your account got banned. But if you violated any rules and regulation or any policy, then I don't think your account will be get unbanned. So this is only for whom, those guys that their account got banned without any reason. So this is the guys, and you have to attach some screenshot that your account got banned just for proof. So after that, a person will review your account, and they will ask you some questions over the email, and you have to answer that too. And after that, in some few days your account will be get unbanned. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.